Good morning, class. Welcome to our class orientation in IT 116 or HCI2, Human Computer Interaction 2, for this second semester academic year 2020 to 2021. So I am instructor Josie C. Calfaforo. I will be handling this course and I shall be guiding and facilitating you this second semester academic year 2020 to 2021 as we explore the human-computer interaction. Again, this would be our new learning classroom setting to everybody as we are going to utilize the ESATU virtual learning environment for the entire duration of our semester. Of course, I believe that you can make it until the end of this semester. Simply give your best. You're more than 100% if you can. You know, class, walang mahirap sa taong nag-aaral ng mabuti dyan. So, just maximize whatever the available resources you have right now despite of limited connectivity issues. So class, learn to manage your time well, especially this time of pandemic that you are in self-paced learning. So you have a lot of leisure time doing your activities. Uh, rather than studying our courses in row. So at the end class, it's still yours, the benefits of your perseverance and hard work. So if you want to be an effective distance learner, just learn independently. So before we proceed to our class proper, I will discuss the following. So we have here the course syllabus in HCI2, lecture note or module, then flexible learning and the um, other matters. So for the course syllabus, we have here, so this would be now the new format for our course syllabus. So class, since your class standing is in third year already, so I think I don't need to explain the this further or just for your own reading about the university vision, course values, mission, goals, and the content of this. But we in a way, class, expect that you already knew this, the vision, mission, core values, mission, goals of our university. Of course, class, you have to take it seriously, class, and dapat you have to uh, not just to memorize this, but of course, you have to isa puso ninyo ito, class, and then you don't need actually to memorize all of these things, but you have to embrace it, okay? So here we have um, OBE core syllabus in IT 116, Human Computer Interaction 2. We have here program or degree for Bachelor of Information Technology or BSIT, of course. This course number and descriptive title we have here IT Human Computer Interaction 2. So the prerequisite of this is HCI 1, and you got this already from previous semester, and you have already the basic ideas of what human computer interaction is. And then class, your course credit here or units and contact hours per week is, it's 3 units or 3 hours per week. So this was offered this the second semester academic year 2020 to 2021. So of course here the course description of our course syllabus, of course, for HCI2, it's just a course deals with the development of prototype interfaces for users with specific accessibility issues and perform usability evaluation of the existing software based on the general principles used in the heuristic evaluation. And then later on class, you're going to learn this beyond, because in HCI 1, it's just a basic, the fundamentals of human computer interaction uh, content. So here, of course, you have also to learn the usability, performance, and preferences matrix, such as learning, task time, task completion, and user satisfaction, and the common usability guidelines and standards of HCI2. So here, of course, our legal basis here is the CMO number 25 series of 2015. Just I actually class this your course syllabus is already uploaded and our virtual learning environment. So just scan all our uploaded materials there. Then just read this only class, the common to all programs in all types of schools, the common to the discipline, and of course the specific to BS IT program, the outcomes of this um, of our program or degree. So here, the course map, of course. At the end of the course, you as a student, you're going to learn the following. Of course, you have to relate the importance of a good interface design in human-computer interaction. So you have also to demonstrate knowledge of HCI design, process in the development of prototypes, interfaces with specific accessibility issues. So here also, you're going to apply the usability evaluation techniques in the interaction design effectively, and also later in class you're going to design and develop an innovative research in HCI associated with effective work design to real world application class. So later on class, you can also this is a big help for you because class, as you go along with your research thesis, um, and then if you are focusing on this course, you can learn or discover such research research topics related to HCI. So here, of course, as I've said, for Unit 0, of course, we have here the vision, mission, core values, outcomes, and course orientation. So just read this only class. And I know every semesters, every sem, you are being thought about this. Then here, class for our class orientation, of course, in our virtual learning environment, I just have the self-reflection there. Um, and then the discussion forum, of course, you have to answer this discussion forum by answering the self-reflection and course orientation, course expectation in our uh, in this class. So here, as you can see, class in HCI2, I have here. So here, of course, you're going to answer this first class, the self-introductions and expectations forum. As you can see here, I just have the instruction here. So, of course, before proceedings, you need to do two things. So you have to edit your profile in our participants roster. This means, class, that your name is your true name, your first name, and your last name. So, and then class, you have to update also your profile there if you want, but although it's not that um compulsory, but you have also class to edit that in your profile. Then after which you're going to, since our class is in virtual learning is a self-paced learning, of course, it is important, class, that we're going to know each other. So here you have to tell us a bit about yourself to everyone and have your expectations on the course enrolled through a video clip. So create and upload this to your YouTube account and share this link to this in this forum. So here, upon clicking here, class, You're going to add a discussion topic here, so it's up to you if your uh, title of your file here is self introduction or whatever, as long as you upload your video clip here, class, about yourself and the your course expectation for the whole duration of this first semester. So just upload it in YouTube again, class, and share the link instead in our thread here after this under the self introductions and expectations forum. Okay, next here is of course, class, happy learning, everyone. In our thread in this self introductions expectations forum, class, you can have your conversations there with your classmates. Although you are already in third year, but our classroom setting here is different from face to face, so it's virtual. So you can have your message or something to say in the video presentation of your classmates. Okay. And then class, as you can see here, we have announcements forum. So under this, I will just upload or I'll just create a announcement later on if there is an urgent. Let's say, for example, if we have, as you can see here, a webinar. Actually, it's already done, but maybe later on we can have some further announcements. So aside from having a group chat, of course, first is I will create an announcement here under the announcements forum so that it's official for everybody. Then here we have you have the social forum. This means that this is where you can discuss anything you wish and concern from our course. For example, if you are have a problem regarding the topics regarding the topics that you're not that you did not really understand, you have to do is just upload. Just what I mean is that just create a message here or question in under this social forum. Okay, or if you're shy, class, so you can actually message me privately. Anyway, I'm just uh, message away. You can send me a message and anytime um, in my messenger or through email. I can also accommodate that. And then here I just uploaded also your course syllabus in IT 116, as you can see here. And then as you can see, class, we have already categorized our topics. We have here, as you can see, we have course orientation, introduction to HCI, specifics, HCI guidelines, HCI design. We have here also user interface layer, user interface developmental kit. Then after which is the midterm examination. So all of this, class, you can find this in our course syllabus. So class, later on in our final term, of course, we're going to have a project formulation. Why is it, class? Because in HCI, you're going to learn or discover certain research um, related to human-computer interaction. You can also utilize this class in your thesis later on. So as you can see here, as you can see clear here, class, in project formulation, of course. You're going to learn the project ideas, the abstract draft, of course, the project designing. And then